Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. This is Valerie here, coming to you from my kitchen. Now, I just thought I'd share with you how I store my pots in my country kitchen. Now, how do you store your pots out there? I actually installed, believe it or not, this is an outdoor tabletop. Flipped it upside down, installed it to the ceiling, and used chains and S-hooks to hang my pots. Now you can store your pots maybe in your cupboards or in your drawers, and you can get a good drawer system that can enable you to access your pots. But for me, I don't have enough drawers in this kitchen to store my pots, so I thought that my best bet is, instead of putting in a corner cabinet, I put in this pot rack, and then I put some shelves just below the pot rack so I can store dishes that we normally use for everyday meals, dishes and cups. Now the pot rack, as the name suggests, is not only for pots. You can store whatever you want to store. You could store cooking utensils on it, such as big forks and spoons and ladles and egg beaters, like I have sieve and egg beater here. But yeah, as the name suggests, the pot racks are not only for pots. Now, that's it. That's how I store my pots in my kitchen, and they are very accessible. Until next time, you can share with me how you store your pot, comment, hit the notification button, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and tell somebody about my channel. Love you guys so much. Thanks for all your support. Have a Merry Christmas now.